One of the most important things on your portfolio is the cover image of the case study that you're showcasing inside your portfolio. If you're a beginner level designer or it's your first time that you want to create your portfolio, this video is for you. In this video, I want to talk about how to create the cover of your case study step by step. It's gonna be 6 steps, and we're gonna talk about the whole process. And also the fun part is that I'm gonna teach you how to use the Photoshop Beta Generative AI feature to just add anything on your cover image. So let's dive in. Step 1 is getting inspiration. I always just go to behance.net and I go to the Discover to just see the featured projects for UXUI field, and the thumbnails of the featured projects are incredible. I love to just spend so much time scrolling through the covers and just get inspiration. I usually, for example, just take screenshots of the covers that I really like, and I open a new page on Figma, for example, calling it mood board, and I import all of the screenshots inside my mood board page just to have the idea of the look and feel that I want to go into. So the first step is that you have to look at the best works on Behance and just get motivated and inspired and just copy a few of the elements of the cover that has been successful on Behance and just go with it. Step 2 is download a mockup. So where to download a mockup? I use Envato Elements. It's $16.50 per month with annual subscription and $33 a month with the monthly subscription. It's pretty worth it for me because it doesn't only have device mockups, it also has stock videos, stock photos, graphic templates, UXUI templates, 3D stock images, sound effects, everything. It's always working for me. I used to work at a marketing agency and they used to use Envato Elements for all of their clients, and from that time I decided to use Envato as well by myself. But there are also free options for you. For example, in Figma community you have lots of great templates to use for device mockups, and word.co you can also download free mockups. The step 3 is that you need to save your screen. For me, here is a mobile screen. You need to save it in your local computer, then go to Photoshop, and by using the Smart Object tool, just open it up and place your screen inside the mobile. Step 4 is adding a blank background and gradient. Some of the mockups come with scenes and backgrounds. This example that I'm getting inspiration has a simple gradient, and I'm gonna use the gradient for myself as well. You can go with whatever you like for your background. Step 5 is the fun part. We're gonna use the generative AI and just see the benefits of this amazing feature. So here you can select the area that you want to add stuff inside. For me, I want to add stone texture here. So you can use the lasso tool or just the simple selection tool, and you can see the pop-up underneath, and you can type in add a stone texture in dark color, and then click on generate, and it gives you 3 options and you can select between each of them. So here I like this one. The final step is that, of course, exporting your mockup. I recommend save it no more than 2 megabytes considering the download time for the website, and we don't want to make your image heavy, and place it into your case study in your website. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Go ahead and create your beautiful cover images for your case study. Also share them with me. I'd love to see your work. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video you get notified. See you guys in the next video. Bye!